and take out left, and take out right, take out left, take out right, take out left. Now go up right, and go up left, and go up right, and go up left, go up right, go up left, last time right, and then last time left. Now we're going to take both of them up over the head and back down. So angel and down, angel and down. Two more, angel, down, angel, down. Now we'll do small, in front, in front, in front, behind the head for 1. 3, 2, 1 behind the head. 3, 2, 1 behind the head. 3, 2, 1 behind the head. Now let's do big and small, 2, 3. Big, small, 2, 3. Big, small, 2, 3. Big, small, 2, 3. Now we're going to do small, 2, big, back behind. 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 1, 2, and big behind. 1, 2, big behind. 1, 2, big behind. 1, 2, big behind. And 1, 2, big behind. We'll do 4 more sets. So 1, 2, big back behind. 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 And back to the butterfly. And then let's go into the thread the needle. And then from your butterfly, you're in overhand, go back to the butterfly. Let's do the left turn around. So left out, turn left, come into underhand facing the back wall, left out, turn left, into overhand on the front wall, and then right turn, right out, turn, bring the left hand in, right out, turn, bring the left hand in. Okay, now let's go up to the angel again, angel again, angel again, angel again, and now we'll do the 1, 2, big and back behind, 1, 2, big back behind, 1, 2, and big back behind, 1, 2, big back behind, and now we'll put the turn together with it. So do your right out and turn to the right, right out again, turn to the right to overhand, then left out, turn to the left to underhand, then left out, turn to the left to overhand, and then we'll do 2 small and big back behind, 2 small and big back behind. Now right turn again, right out, turn, underhand butterfly, and right out, turn, overhand on the front, then left turn, left out, turn, underhand on the back wall, left out, turn, overhand on the front wall, and then back to the other part of the combo. 2 small, 1, 2, then big and back behind. 2 small, big, back behind. 2 small, big, back behind. And 2 small, big, back behind. Now we're going to do 2 turns each way. So it'll be a right turn, then a left turn, then a right turn, then a left turn. So right out, turn, come to underhand butterfly on the back wall. Right out, turn, come to overhand butterfly on the front wall. Left out, turn, come to underhand butterfly. And left out, turn, back to overhand butterfly. Right turn again, right out, turn, come to underhand butterfly. Right out, turn, come to overhand butterfly. Left out, turn, come to underhand butterfly. Left out, turn, back to overhand butterfly, and put it together with the other one. So 2 small, big, back behind. And 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 right out, turn, underhand butterfly, right out, turn. And then left out, turn, come to underhand butterfly. Left out, turn, back to overhand butterfly. Second turn, right out, turn to underhand butterfly. Right out, turn to overhand butterfly. Left out, turn to underhand butterfly. Left out, turn to overhand butterfly. Okay, moving on. We're gonna do a left turn 90 degrees, turn to the left. Lift your left leg, you're gonna to the side, so not to the front, but to the side, and you're gonna bisect the plane of the poi, tap the poi, so the left poi will change direction and it should be an overhand. Well, and now they're both in overhand, so your right's an overhand, left's an overhand. So let me show you what I did. I'm here in the butterfly, I turn, lift the leg to the side, tap, and change direction to both of them being overhand. So overhand butterfly here, turn left, tap on the calf, change direction with the left poi, while the right poi keeps spinning, then stall the left poi between your legs and turn back to the front into overhand butterfly. We'll do that again. We're gonna turn to the left, tap the left point on the left leg, stall between the leg, come back to butterfly. So if we just drill the left poi for a second, it's like this. Turn, lift the leg, tap, stall, back to butterfly. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn and tap, squat, stall, turn back to butterfly. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, lift, tap, squat, stall, turn to butterfly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn, tap, squat, stall, back to butterfly. And then if we put the right hand into it, so the right hand the whole entire time just does this, no matter where you are in the combination. It's as if the right poi is in the butterfly. So it never changes. So from the butterfly, we're gonna turn and tap the left one, squat and stall the left one, and then turn back to the overhand butterfly. We'll do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn and tap, squat and stall, back to butterfly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn and tap, squat and stall, back to butterfly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn and tap, squat and stall, back to butterfly. And then let's connect it to what we did a few minutes ago. So we'll do a right turnaround, right out, turn to underhand butterfly on the back wall, right out, turn to overhand butterfly on the front wall. Then we're gonna turn left, left out, turn to underhand on the back. If you don't prefer lifting the leg, what you could do instead is when you come to the side, you can, okay, if I show you this, if I'm here like this, and I turn to the side, instead of lifting the leg, you can put your like knee out like this. The point is really to be bisecting the plane of the leg in a way where you can keep, like the whole entire time, the poi is parallel to this plane, your hip line in front of you here. And then when you turn, you're bisecting the plane. So you don't have to, I mean, this one that I just did, you can see I didn't really lift my leg very far. It's just probably a new movement because we haven't done anything like this before. But that's why we do it, to learn something new. The turn, a second turn, then we'll do the butterfly big to the angel, and then we'll do the turn and tap sequence. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right out, turn right, come to underhand butterfly. Right out, turn right, come to overhand butterfly. Left out, turn left, come to underhand butterfly. Left out, turn left, back to overhand. We're turning right again. Right out, turn to underhand butterfly. Right out, turn to overhand butterfly. Left turn again. Left out, turn to underhand butterfly. Left out, turn to overhand butterfly. Now, too small and big, then back behind. Too small and big, back behind. Too small and big, back behind. And last one, too small, big, back behind. Now, turn left, take out left, tap your left point on your left leg, stall between your leg, come to the front, and now we'll do the same thing on the right side where you turn, tap your right poi, stall between your leg, and come back to the front. If I showed you from the front view with the turn and tap would be this. You would turn, tap, stall, butterfly, turn, tap, stall, butterfly. And if you really had it tightly, there would only be one count of butterfly in the middle, so it would look more like this at speed. Bum, 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 bum. And this one is really fun on fire because you have the taps, which people love, and then you have the whole going under your crotch with the stall, so it looks like your crotch is on fire, which, gotta say, it's just a crowd pleaser. Work with the good stuff. If I showed you the whole sequence from the front, I'll do left turn myself, but it'll look like you're right. Take out and turn, come to underhand butterfly, take out, turn to overhand butterfly. Turn the other way, take out, turn to underhand, take out, turn, back to overhand. Repeat, take out, turn to underhand, take out, turn to overhand. We're going back, take out, turn to underhand, take out, turn to overhand. Too small and big back behind. 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 And now we're gonna do a turn and tap, squat and stall, back to butterfly, turn and tap, squat and stall, back to butterfly. And I would do that twice. Turn and tap, squat and stall, back to butterfly, turn, tap, squat, stall, back to butterfly.